Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are doing great. As always, I used to talk about the flowers, and today I'm here to share you the flowers, and I and my best friend are working on to add more uh, stand like this. So he is working over there, and I am here to transplant my baby watermelon plant. See, I have watermelon plants which I have propagated from the leaf, and these plant and these are ready to transplant, and these plants have only one leaf, and I think these are also ready to transplant. So let's transplant our watermelon plants. I got a plant, and I make an idea to make here stands of three layers like this from here to this side, and because I want to have some more plant which can resist the heat like this, I'm thinking of collect this type of varieties of euphorbia plants so they can resist heat. So that's why I am asking my best friend to make here some stand for me. So I will show you when she done the work. So finally I done my transplanting my babies, and these are the leaves that has given me this plant, and I just separated from this plant, and I have put it once back to our soil because I think they will once again give me baby plants once more, I think so here he done the making this stand by the wood. Next time I will bring this plastic and cover it so that it will protect from the rain, and I will keep this type of flowers, petunias and the hardest plant, they need direct sunlight. So these plants are so fragile, they cannot tolerate the sun. I had kept right here last time, and I could see they're turning yellow and drying their leaves because of heat. So I kept back here. So these are my primula's pink one. This vicious. So friends, see my color lilies update. They're growing so healthy right now. So please like, subscribe and share my videos if you like my flower garden, euphorbias. Sorry, I forgot to share this carnation. This is the large varieties or long varieties dwarf. That one is a dwarf and this one is long or big varieties. They grow in such a seed, and all I have done by the cuttings, and they are also ready to transplant, so I have transplanted. And this with that watermelon plant and carnation. So as I told you that this time is the best time to propagate any type of plant. So let me show you some result. And these words has told in the last video which I have made, and I will show you the result. I did so many things like cutting. See, I did cuttings and see the result. They are all the result of cuttings. Let me show you more. Let me show you this one. You might see it has been dead, but see, results are coming now. It's been almost 2 to 3 months staying like a dead plant, but now they're giving a result. Ooh. Most of the people don't know that the plants go in the dormancy. Dormancy means they will go in stage where you can see your plant has totally dead, but be patient. When the time comes, they will grow in a new form. So I will show you my plants. Can you see this? This plant has totally dead, but I haven't thrown this soil, and I kept like this by waiting to see the result, and now they are giving the result with a new form of plant. And see, just be patient. If you have a bulb under the soil, they will give you the result. So be patient. If you have any plant, if you see it's like they were trying, be patient. They will give you a result after when the times come for their germinations. And let me show you some more plants. One is another plant. Their main plants are totally dead, so I just trim it out and see new plants are giving, new germinations are taking. See, new plant. Not only you, but I also do sometimes. We get so much curiosity because of not knowing what was happening with the plant, but be patient. They're giving a new plant when they comes and in the right time. So just keep and save your plant. They are just going for dormancy and they are ready to give a plant. See plants, my Australian lilies, they are the plants or flower for the summers. They bloom so beautiful. Just take it out this week, and which will just consume their energy, and they can't produce any flowers. So just take it like this, take it out, and when they grow or give a new healthy plant, it will gives you flowers. See, my red cactus are about to bloom now. So friends, I think I have this much to share on this vlog. Thank you so much for staying till the end, and please subscribe, like my videos, and comments, and tell me how is your flowers going on in the springtime. Friends, in my place, petunias are only blooming right now, so I think I got only the white plant because I from the single plant I did all the cuttings, so I think they will bloom all in the white colors. These are all the plants which I've done from the single plant. See, so many insects are there who were damaging my plant. See. These are my hanging plants which I have grown from the cuttings. You should keep this plant for the shade to grow their roots. They can also grow very easily from the cutting as they have a root grown from the side like this. Because of that, they can grow so easily from the cuttings. Thank you so much for staying to the end and watching till the end. Hope you like my video and my gardens. Please like my video, subscribe my channel. So bye bye. Thank you so much for staying to the end.